So I wanted to try and make classic games using Claude. I know that many people are doing like Super Mario Bros. Or complicated games, but I wanted to start with something a little bit simpler. I told myself, why not to try Bomberman? I asked ChatGPT, give me a prompt to create classic Bomberman. 1983 version. For Claude Code, explain the exact gameplay for single player. I don't want him to use any pre-made assets. Okay, it takes a lot of time. I really hope I'm not going to run out of credits. Oh, fine. That's great. Bomberman 83. It looks a bit blurry. Bomb the blocks. Clear enemies. Find exit. Ah, it's really smart, I must say. Ah, okay. I must say the controls are a bit laggy. Ah, move the whole square. I have to fix it. Good catch. Committing to full tile. Okay. Twin model. Allow static player to classic 3 pixel movement. Move only while a key is held. Stop instantly on release. Which lends centering and corner assist to corridors. Still feels snappy. Enemies stay time based. It's much better now. Maybe I have to tell him to remember the level layout, how many blocks I have destroyed and how many enemies I killed. Yeah, I thought it like that. I want you to remember Basically, he's adding invisibility frames. Okay, I don't like it now. Where is the exit? Okay, the exit is hidden like the original game. This is going to take some time. Oh, he did it. Wow, now I also have I think they are faster. Yeah, I think the pepper ones are faster. Okay, now I want to improve it again. Um, make the background mid bright green and cheap music, basic effects, basic sound effects. When a bomb explodes, tiny scream when an enemy is destroyed. Level is now made bright green. Chiptune, an original 4-bar loop in A minor. Should be something like the NES. Explosion sound effect. Enemy scream. Alright, let's see it. Okay, let's try this now. Not too bad, not too bad. Ah, but the sound effects are more like Atari, I think. Let's see, now I'll try to pick a sound effect. Let's say pick some, let's say, no, these sounds. Oh, okay, that's great. Now I want to find another effect for the enemy. When the enemy dies. Ah, that would be very funny. Okay, I must say this is okay. Okay, I moved to a cloud desktop. Now you can read it. Use real sound effects inside the web folder. Check why the enemy sometimes go over the bombs. Also, also the player sometimes sticks to the blocks. I think it's the corner thing you added earlier. I'm not sure I can read the flag files. I mean, the browser. Or maybe it's inside the JavaScript thing. I haven't programmed anything on JavaScript for, I think, wow, I think for 20 years now. I hope I didn't report any fakes bugs. That won't be a problem. How many credits, tokens, how many tokens have already spent here? 39%, it's okay, I think. Weekly, it's only Monday, oh. I have to be more careful. Okay, I'm not sure what is done. Uh, is it is it okay now? Did you fix the bugs? Not yet. Uh, wait, what? Why so fast? I haven't touched. Confirm the enemy walking over bombs. Player sticks on corner, still knocking down. Whatever you say. Okay, he's found the actual bug. The corner assist only slides toward the open lane. We are already mostly in that lane. I want to check. So, is it actually a collision? He's found a deeper issue. I think it's a collision detection issue. If a machine has to fix bugs, it takes a lot of time for the AI to fix it. I don't want to think what real programmer has to go through. Also, I think programmers didn't have like a preview or something like that. They had to take the whole assembly code and try it again, move it from the NTS to the back to the computer and vice versa. All the issues are fixed. Okay, let's see what happens now. Oh, wait. Okay, it should. The effects are staying overlapping each other. I think it's mostly fixed now. No, not yet. It's a bit glitchy, but it's better than before. Okay, I want to fix the overlapping sound effects. Um, uh, it's much better. But now the bomb explode sound and the enemy. The sound overlap each other. It should be quite easy to fix. I think. It checks if it's okay now. Okay, it should be okay now. Now let's try again. It should be much better now. I have to add maybe dev animation, but it's not necessary. It's still nice. Now I want to check for power-ups. Because there should be some power-ups here. Yay! Now I don't remember what that one does. Okay, I have to look back at the ChatGPT prompt to see what it does. I think it should increase the bomb radius. No, this is the one shouldn't let me go faster, but I still have to check to add, I still have to add some time limit or counter to see if it's still effective. I want to see when power ups are active and when they become inactive after a while, make them blink at the top of the screen and these appear just when the effect ends. Right now power-ups permanent. No, I don't want it to be permanent. Yes, okay, I had to scroll it up, but now I can see the counter for this power-up. And it's gone. Found it. Okay, oh, still overlaps sometimes. It's really fast. I think that I have to tell him to slow it a bit down. But for now, I think the game is actually it's okay. And I think that's enough for today. Do you want me to try it and make more classic games using Claude? Anyway, see you next time.